Alright, in this video I'm going to show you this little knife that looks very, very nice for $10. So I'm going to show you a little bit closely. Also, I'm going to show you where I got it. So I got it on Temu and looks like for $10 or $11 looks very nice. So I was looking at them, like a few weeks ago, and I saw them the cheapest one like 40. And then I saw another one for 89, and then even you can see some of them for 200, 500. I mean, this is out of control. It's crazy. So I'm going to show you what you can expect about this type of knife. So basically, it comes like that. So it's like a very generic box, and that's it. That is all it comes. So as you can see here, it's all made of plastic. I mean, it doesn't matter to me. I don't care. Maybe the nicest one or the most expensive one maybe is all metal, and it's very light. I like it a lot about that, and it works. So as you can see, no problem. Everything works as it should. I don't know if it's as sharp as another ones, but if you see here, it cuts very well, no problem at all. The only thing, I saw some people, this is kind of a cardboard. You see, it cuts. I mean, I don't know if it's like very sharp, but it's sharp enough, at least to me. I'm going to be using it, just to open envelopes. And as you can see, it's very, very nice. The only thing is not very powerful. I mean, if you leave it like that, you see, it will not go through. It will not pierce the paper. So if you have this issue, you see, and it will stop working. It will not do anything. So the only solution is just pull it out. That's it, and it will go back to normal just fine. So I did another testing here. So as you can see with this, so barely will pierce it a little bit. And if you do this, it will go back to normal. So that's it. So hopefully you have enjoyed this knife. This is what I use. So and if you have any question, let me know. This is the one I use all the time, for when I do handyman work or when I fix a computer sometimes. With this I have everything. For this, it's more like a novelty. So something, if you want something very economical to have and maybe to open envelope or something like that, I think it will be okay. Hopefully you're not going to use this to rob a bank or anything like that. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time. Okay, something I forgot to mention is, of course, you're going to need a sharpener. So if you can buy one of these, this brand is very good, very easy to use, because over time, it's going to lose the sharpness. So all you have to do, as you can see here, is just put it like that, and then you pass it like that a few times, and that's it. And so that way you can keep it very sharp and very easy. Like I said before, very easy. Just make sure, put it like that, cut. Just slide it like that, and that should be enough to make it work. Another thing is, this is like I mentioned before, the body is all plastic. This is plastic as well, but here you have the screws just in case if you have to take it apart for maintenance, and here you have the clip belt. This seems to be metal. I think maybe if you have to hang it from your like a string or something like that, or if you have to hit something, I think it would be good enough. Other than that, it looks very nice. At least for my needs, it's more than enough.